Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be back with a brand new video reviewing a brand new product. So yeah, let's just get right into it. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Huda Beauty's new Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream. Now I'm so excited to be trying this out because a lot of people online have been saying that this could be a possible dupe to Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel, which is probably an all-time favorite for almost everyone. It's literally the best cream contour slash bronzer out there. The only problem with it is that it's kind of expensive and it also only comes in one shade. So yeah. Anyway, so I have my Huda Tantour right here. Now, I already took mine out of the box just because I don't want to sit in front of the camera, unbox it, and then it be broken or something be wrong with it, and then I would just sit there, cry, and just be pissed for the rest of the day. So indeed, it is broken. As you can see, it has a little crack on the corner of the lid. It looks like it's inside the plastic. I don't know how to explain it, but when I touch it, it doesn't feel like it's cracked, but if you look at it, it looks like the inside part is cracked. I hope that made sense. But yeah, it's not really affecting the product. Does it bother me? Yes. But can I live with it? Absolutely. So yeah, let's just move on with our lives. So I got mine at Sephora for $30. It has 0.42 ounces of product in here. It also comes in 5 shades. I got it in the shade Light. Now there's one lighter before Light. It's called Fair, and then there's 3 other ones in front of Light. I hope that makes sense. What it is, according to the website, it says that it's an ultra pigmented, blendable, and buildable cream to powder contour and bronzer formula. Oh my god, who made that sentence? That's literally an ultra pigmented, blendable, and buildable cream to powder contour and bronzer formula. That's literally a tongue. I can't even talk. It's a tongue twister. Oh my god. Let me drink some water. Jesus. So what else you need to know according to the website? It says it's housed in an easy to use jar. This deeply pigmented, luxurious cream to powder bronzer is the versatile product you've been looking for. Whether you're a beginner or a contouring pro, Huda's Tantour allows you to create a healthy looking bronze complexion or natural to dramatic contour as you layer. So it's pretty much saying that it's very buildable and it's easy to blend. So let's get started. Now, in comparison to Chanel's Soleil Tan de Chanel, which I have right here, this one is 1 full ounce. It retails for $50 and it only comes in 1 shade, and it also has a slight fragrance. Huda Beauty's doesn't have a fragrance at all, actually. I really have sniffed it many times and I just don't get anything out of it. So yeah, here are the color comparisons of both of them. As you can see, the Chanel one is a lot lighter and it looks like there's a lot more product, obviously, because this is half of product that this has, if that makes any sense. I am scared because this one just looks like it's gonna pull red on me, and I don't really like reddy or orangey bronzer shades on me. I like more of the cool tone because it looks more natural. At least that's the way I feel. So let's do some swatches. Now, I already know what the Chanel feels like. It's so creamy and I just freaking love it. The Chanel one is just so easy to blend. Now let's test out this bad boy, which I am so... oh my god, just touching it, it just feels so creamy. Whoa, it's a lot darker and it looks like I have to be really careful. I have to use a light hand because, as you can see, I'm trying to blend it on my arm and it's taken a lot more work. Now I am scared that when I'm blending it, it's going to remove my foundation because I've used products in the past that just kind of move my foundation around even though I've already set it. So now that I'm looking at it, the Chanel one looks a lot more orangey than the Huda Beauty. Now I have the Chanel at the bottom right here, and then this is the Huda Beauty. It looks cooler tone than it does on the jar, which I like. I'm so excited to try it out. So yeah, both of them are very matte. the more I keep playing around with the Huda Beauty, the more it's blending into my skin. So let's go ahead and jump right in. On this side, I'm going to be using the Chanel one, and on this one, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty one. I'm going to be using two separate brushes. Now, this is the one that I usually use for my Chanel one. It works perfectly fine. It's the Morphe It's the Morphe M530. And then this one is just the BH Cosmetics number 4. I also like this one for contour because the shape of it is just perfect for contouring, as you can see right here. So I'm going to start off with the Chanel one. I just like going in like this, and yeah, now I'm just going to go ahead. My mirror is over here, so I mean, there's not much that I have to say because I've used this all the time. It's so easy to blend. I just freaking love it. I know it's $50. Now, let's jump right into the Huda Beauty one. So, yeah, I'm just gonna go in here. Now, I'm really scared because I don't want to look crazy. So, here it is. All right. It looks like it's harder for the brush to pick it up than it was for my finger. So, let's just jump right in. I'm actually gonna zoom you guys in. Does it focus? There we go. I feel like it's kind of dark, so I really, oh my god. Oh my god, I don't know how I feel about this. Can you guys see that? I feel like it's moving my foundation around right here instead of applying the product. And it is kind of hard to blend in. Oh my god, I look crazy. Let me try it with my sponge. I have a wet sponge right here. I'm just gonna try to blend that out as much as I can. Oh my god, I'm so frustrated because it looks like my product moved around right here. I really hope that you guys can see that. Or not my product, it looks like it just moved around the product and my foundation, so. Okay, so now I'm editing this video and I realized that I just should have told you guys the reason why I chose to apply the contour, the cream products after I had set my foundation. It's because that's the way I normally do it on a day-to-day basis. The Chanel one works perfectly fine like that, so I just assumed that this one would too, but as you saw, it just didn't turn out so well. Okay, back to the video. So here's the Huda Beauty one. It just is very obvious that my foundation moved around. This one feels a lot stickier than the Chanel one, and then on this side is the Chanel one. It's so easy to blend, very natural looking, and excuse my dogs, they're right under my little table here, so yeah, just excuse them. Oh my god, I don't know what to say. I'm just a little bit disappointed because I can see it on camera right here. Oh my god. So I'm trying to like it, but I don't like it. I actually hate it. It's very patchy and hard to blend in. If you guys want to try it out, go ahead and try it out, but I literally just want to wash my face and then just like apply the Chanel one. Which is weird because I feel like texture-wise, the Huda Beauty is a lot creamier to the touch than the Chanel one. But when I applied it, it just, I mean, you guys saw it, it was patchy. It just, I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't work. It didn't work for me. Maybe with a different foundation. Luca. Sophie. You guys. Ghost. Stop. Goose. I also feel like it's really drying. I'm done. I was so excited for this product and it just didn't work out. I don't have anything good to say. I mean, it was $30, so I'm gonna return this because it's just not worth it. It's not... I don't know. I am speechless and I'm disappointed. That's what it is. Just because I was so freaking excited to try it and it just... it didn't even work out. I've never really returned makeup, but I'm going to because it's $30, guys. I mean, I could buy something else with $30. Does Sephora do returns? Like for used makeup? Like if you try it? I need to go figure that out, and I need to go wash my face. Okay, so Sephora does actually do returns. I'm sure everyone already knew that, except me. Anyways, I actually went and returned it, and the lady at the register was so surprised that I returned it because she was like, everyone else likes it. So I have a couple of thoughts about this, because I feel like sometimes when there are products that are overhyped, that can cloud our true feelings about them because we want to like them so bad, which was the case for me in this video. As you saw, I was trying really hard to like it because I was really excited and I didn't want to feel disappointed. So yeah, I just feel like, you know, if you don't like something, you don't have to try hard to like it. You just don't like it, and I don't like it. Okay, bye. So thank you guys so much for watching and sticking around for this mess. I mean, it really sucks that it didn't work out, but I'm here to be honest about the products that I like and that I don't like. I also have a lot more videos in store for you guys. A lot more brands are coming out with more products, especially during the summer, and I just have a long list of things that I want to review for you guys and try out. So please subscribe, leave your comments. If you've tried this out, let me know how it worked for you. I know that it can work for different people in different ways, and my skin maybe just didn't like it, but yours will. If you really want to try out, go out and buy it. But if you were just looking for videos to see what other people thought about it, I would not recommend you going out and spending $30 on this. Yeah, it just didn't work out for me. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!